How can we fix Face ID? How can we reset our Face ID in iPhone? So this is my iPhone 11. I am telling you for iPhone XR because in any format of iPhone, the settings will be the same. So for this, we just need to go on our iPhone setting option here, and let me just do that. This is my setting. As you can see here, I will scroll to the down here like this, and here you can see there is an option called Face ID and passcode. Just click on that option, and here it will demand for your passcode. So simply enter your passcode here, and after that you can see there is an option called Reset Face ID, and other settings like require attention for Face ID, attention aware features, turn off passcode, change your passcode, required passcode, and any other Face ID things here. So if you want to reset your Face ID or attach a new Face ID in your iPhone, so you just have to click on this red option here, and if you don't want to do it, you can just simply go back from here. And if you want to turn off your passcode, like there are two options in iPhone whenever you will open it. So there is two options, that is first one is Face ID and the second one is passcode. You can also change your passcode, turn it off from here. So this is all about your Face ID on your iPhone. And if you like this video, then please subscribe the channel, and we will meet again next in the best video to all of you. Keep watching, keep loving, keep learning.